Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of advanced AI with a game-changing tool from Black Forest Labs, Flux. If you're into text-to-image or image-to-image generation, you're in for a treat. Let's break down what Flux is, how it works, and why you should be excited about it. First up, let's talk about what Flux is. Flux is a cutting-edge set of models designed to transform text into stunning images and manipulate existing images with a few lines of code. Whether you're a developer, artist, or just a tech enthusiast, this tool has something for you. At the core, Flux offers three main models. Flux.1 Pro, the base model with robust capabilities, available via API. Flux.1 Dev, a guidance distilled variant, perfect for more detailed prompts. Flux.1 Schnell, a step distilled variant for faster processing. Here's how you can get started with Flux. For a local installation, follow these simple steps. And that's it, you're all set to start generating some amazing content. For running interactive demos, you've got options. Use Streamlit or Gradio for a hands-on experience. And for a Gradio-based demo, customize your experience with various options, including device selection and creating public links. Want to integrate Flux with other tools? Flux models are compatible with the Diffusers library. Here's a quick setup. Next, let's talk API usage. Flux provides a straightforward API for generating images programmatically. Flux is not just a tool, it's a whole new way to create and interact with AI-generated content. With partners like Replicate, FAL, and Mystic, you have multiple ways to access and experiment with these models. For more details, check out the links in the description below. Dive into the documentation, experiment with the demos, and unleash your creativity with Flux. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and let us know in the comments what you'll create with Flux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.